Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday morning. It's kind of rainy and dreary outside. It's supposed to be like this all day. Jamie and Claire are just making some breakfast. We went for a nice walk after breakfast, and now we're just working in Claire's room. Jamie is taking apart the crib, and her room will be pretty much done. Are you checking the wall? You measuring it? Will everything fit? Jamie's trying to figure out his new tool.
You know what? I think it's not the right piece. It's not gonna fit through the door.
All right, here we go. Claire's room. No more crib in it. Just a big girl bed. Yay! This will be the baby's room. We just need to take some stuff out of here because there's a lot of stuff in here right now. But the crib is there. These are actually Clara's. We finished our little project upstairs. We got a lot of stuff out for the new baby as well. Then we went and did some groceries and got some lunch, and now Clara is napping, so we're just watching a documentary on the Titanic. And it's really raining outside. It is just coming down out there.
Raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats and dogs. Good morning everyone. It is Sunday morning. It's been a busy morning. Excuse the kids' music in the background. Clara wanted to dance. So we prepped all our breakfasts and lunches, or Jamie did, and I did a quick unexpected clean because Jamie pulled out the stove and it was really dirty behind there, so I vacuumed the main floor and mopped and cleaned everything up. I don't know what else we'll kind of get up to today. We were talking about going for a walk, but then Jamie said he's gonna build his lawnmower instead. So I think that we'll just kind of hang it around here and do stuff around the house. We're taking a break from the yard work. Jamie got the vegetable garden bed almost all set up. I chopped down a lot of the tree, and now we're having some lunch.
What words are those? What would you
Some
like?
burgers and strawberries and cheese and crackers.
Wontons.
Wontons. Is it good? Yeah. So the last clip you probably saw was just us having a little bit of lunch. We really didn't do too much more the rest of the day. After tearing down the tree and chasing Clara around and stuff like that in the yard, I was exhausted, so I needed to lay on the couch for a little bit. Jamie took down our Christmas lights, which are still up on the front porch, and yeah, we just hung out and didn't really do a whole lot for the rest of the day. It was a nice relaxing Sunday after we got some of the chores done. So anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.